Check, checkity, checkity, check. Sounds like we're good. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, brothers and sisters, gods and goddesses, welcome back. It is a beautiful day in crypto land. Today is Wednesday, November 17th, and Casa de Prana TV, and this is Conscious Crypto, your headquarters for global DeFi news. Yes, sir, that's global decentralized finance news every single day at 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 3 o'clock p.m. Central Standard Time. We're giving you the latest and the greatest. And I am accompanied today by Miss Gaia Lectra behind the scenes, getting ready for this evening's meditation session that's going to be exclusively streamed on Casa de Prana TV on Twitch this evening at 7 p.m. Central Standard Time, and on the Gaia Electra YouTube channel. And we might even be streaming to the Facebook as well on Gaia Electra. So definitely stay tuned. We're going to hop into the Twitch chats and all the fun stuff here, checking our volumes. How are you doing, Miss Gaia Electra? Sounds good.
Hi, mic check.
Yeah, I think. Yeah. Yep, we're good to go. All right, guys. And on Conscious Crypto today, just like every other day, we are going to hop into the Twitch and we're going to host the channel and we are going to share, let's see, share that link. And let's see here. Today, the numbers are looking a lot better. We got Bitcoin getting up to 60,000. So that's a beautiful thing. And let's see, we're going to get into some of the top gainers for today, the top 10 cryptos. If you're checking in on any of these social medias, today is going to be a beautiful one! Exclamation point. There we go. So we're testing out the Twitch, we're hosting the channel, and we're going to share that link right there. Okay, here on Conscious Crypto, it is a custom for us to light up some sage and light up some Palo Santo. I'm gonna keep an eye here on the YouTube, see if we can get our brothers and sisters to check in. And today, just like any other day, we start off lighting some sage and some Palo Santo. And these are sacred plants that have been used for thousands of years to carry out intentions. And with one of the 12 universal laws, the law of attraction, we're going to have the intention today to gain more financial literacy and to ultimately gain more financial sovereignty. So join us today, brothers and sisters, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, on the Conscious Crypto spaceship. Let's start off with some numbers. We're going to go to Coin Market Cap, and we're going to tap on that Coin Market Cap home logo, refresh the screen here to make sure that we're giving you the latest. And coming in at number one, just like every other day, y'all know Bitcoin holding in the number one position is up 0.6%, and it is at $60,000, 378. 600 actually just went down to 60,362. Ethereum coming in at 4,239 is down 0.47%. We got the Binance coin down 0.95. Tether USD, y'all know, is always staying the same. Solana still experiencing quite a dip, is down 4.20. Cardano also down 1.79, and XRP is experiencing a little bit of a gain in the last 24 hours, but still needing to bounce back from the last 7 days down 14%. So at number 8, we've got Polkadot up 99.99%. And then USD coin coming in at number 9, Dogecoin at number 10, and Shiba Inu number 11, down 2.98, and Dogecoin down point. Actually, Dogecoin just moved around. It's down 1.01. These are live numbers coming straight at you right now. Let's take a look at. You want to get into some of these gainers, the biggest gainers? We always tap into the biggest gainers here and have an opportunity to learn more about some of these upcoming coins and tokens and projects. Let's see if I want.
Let's see the biggest gainers. We have hydrogen token. It's up in the last 24 hours about 968%. We have Genshin SHIB Inu.
Yeah, Genshin Shibinu.
Going up with 500 and almost 500%. Then we have BSC Army going up 391%. Then we have Angry Squid going up in the last 24 hours 324%. And we have Cretan token. Some of
Man,
these
I don't even know how to say
names,
that one.
yeah.
QRKITA. You guys let us know how to say that.
Yeah, those are some of the big gainers.
Daily grind. There he is. Hyper Portal. Peace and blessings, my guy. Thanks for checking
I'm
in.
actually intrigued by this one, the hydrogen token.
The hydrogen token?
Yes, let's go to the trending coins.
Okay. I'm all about it. Let's trend it out. Do you want me to look into hydrogen token while you do that?
Yeah, please.
Okay, I'll do that right
That
now.
will be great.
Let's do it.
Trending coins. Ooh, number 1, we have Comstar.
Comstar coming in at number 1. Lord have mercy. That's decentralized adult entertainment for all of you.
Then we have number 2, Shibor Inu.
Shiborg.
Yeah. Number 3, Baby the Fido.
That guy's popping up almost every day.
All right, this is an interesting one. Number 4, Wolverine Inu.
Oh, wow.
Then number 5, Mini Football.
Mini football, okay.
Number 6, Dodge Dash. Number 7, One NFT. And number 8, we have Spark Lab. Number 9, Mars Rise. And the last one, Meta Dodge. Those are the top 10 trending coins. Actually, Shiba Inu is on the 11th position right now.
Coming in strong. Shiba Inu trending. Still down though, unfortunately.
Shiba Inu?
Yeah, I mean, this chart is looking kind of slim. Okay, let's get into this hydrogen token. Thank you, Guy Electra, for sharing the top gainers and also the trending coins. Shiborg Inu, Comstar, Baby DeFido, Wolverine, and mini football top 5. All right, let's get into this hydrogen token or HGT. It's solving a long problem. Climate change is a major problem that the world is facing, with campaigns ongoing to reduce greenhouse emissions. However, fossil fuels still dominate the major share of energy consumption, and countries globally have committed to achieving a various degree of carbon reduction milestones in the future. So the hydrogen has been placed as having a key role in global energy transition since it is a more sustainable energy form without the greenhouse effect. As a result, several organizations have committed to utilizing hydrogen based systems, and a fast growing industry is centered around this concept. Offset programs have long been criticized as being merely PR tools that allow companies to avoid directly tackling their environmental impact. This is further confirmed by the difficulty in tracking the money assigned towards achieving zero net carbon emissions. Hydrogen Token is at the forefront of addressing this problem by using blockchain technology to build a sustainable ecosystem. It has developed a system that tracks the progress of users towards achieving carbon free emissions goals. Hydrogen Token also aims to help individuals participate in the crypto world while also contributing to their quota towards fighting climate change. Sustainable Ecosystem Hydrogen Token has a unique tokenomics that ensures fair distribution of token to users and maintains its value. Furthermore, it is a deflationary token, and every token sold will be burned to ensure that the amount decreases, providing continuous gains to early investors. 10% of the commission deducted from every purchase will also be redistributed in the form of airdrops to the community. Hydrogen Token plans to build a launchpad system where new projects can list tokens from the elemental table. In addition, a staking feature will be added where users can stake their tokens in exchange for other elements tokens. Another essential product is Element Swap. It's a DEX where users can swap between element tokens, and it is the first of its kind in the world. Exciting developments ahead for Hydrogen Token. It's set to list its tokens on several centralized exchanges and will be available on PancakeSwap in Q4 2021. The planned listing on different the planned listing on different exchanges is expected to increase adoption and will provide use case for the token. So there you have it. Hydrogen Token. Not only is it trending, it's experiencing a 722% gain. So we got to find out how to get Hydrogen Token. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is an official conscious crypto moment, because not only are we providing information that could potentially help your bag out, your money bag, it's also helping to contribute to lowering our carbon footprint and rewarding companies and people to do that. How do you feel about that, Miss Gaia Electra? And also, everybody at home, leave your comments below. What do you think about Hydrogen Token?
I'm definitely pro climate change help.
You're gonna what?
I said I'm definitely support it. I mean, look at the climate right now.
Yeah, that's pretty much how I feel about that one myself. All right, let's see. What do we have next in line here? Look, guys, this next segment is brought to you by Casa de Prana Raw Cacao Ceremonial Cacao Powder. And we've got it right now in 4-ounce packages. So if you haven't gotten the memo or heard the buzz about cacao, let me tell you, according to WebMD.com says that the cacao beans destined to become cacao powder and cacao nibs aren't normally roasted at the highest temperatures. Instead, they're processed at low temperatures. And so this gives cacao it's a healthier alternative for recipes that would normally call for cocoa powder. Health benefits are the fiber in the cacao powder promotes healthy digestion and can reduce the risk of symptoms of irritable bowel syndrome and other digestive problems. Also helps to lower blood pressure, reduce the risk of diabetes, heart disease, and reduce inflammation. It's packed. Cacao powder provides more nutrition than cocoa powder, and that is because it's a healthier substitute. It's an excellent source of iron, protein, magnesium, fiber, and zinc. So leave comments below if you want some cacao powder. We're going to be shipping this stuff out. It's considered food of the gods, and this cacao powder is coming from El Salvador. One of our close buddies brought it for us. So please leave comments below. Cacao, it's a great substitute for coffee. So if you find yourself drinking coffee, you want a healthier alternative, consider cacao powder in the mornings. Let's get into our first story of the day. Let me refresh it because I always want to have the latest and the greatest for you guys. Let's see here. We've got Polychain Capital leads Anoma Network to raise $26 million. India to reduce the GST paid on cryptocurrency exchanges from 18% to 1% through regulatory reclassification. Angelino's pushback on new crypto.com arena. It will always be the Staples Center. Interesting. All right. The federal governor Waller praises stablecoins as a genuine innovation. Acting OCC head calls for consolidated supervision for crypto. You guys let me know what you want me to report on. This some of the stories coming in right now. Ethereum layer 2 developer Starkware, valued at $2 billion, is following a $50 million raise. We've got navigating city coins here. Miami citizens to earn Bitcoin despite the city not holding crypto. Actually, let's get into that. I want to know what's going on here. The mayor of Miami is planning to give the residents a Bitcoin dividend. But what exactly does this mean? And is there any real utility in this move? Let's find out. Let's dive right in here. Miami is quickly becoming the crypto capital of the United States. In August of this year, the Magic City was the first state in the US to launch Miami Coin, or MIA, its very own cryptocurrency used for civic engagement. A few months later, Mayor Francis Suarez announced that every Miami resident with a digital wallet will be eligible to receive a Bitcoin dividend. While such a proposal would make Miami the first city in America to provide a Bitcoin yield to its residents, Mayor Suarez told Cointelegraph that the city of Miami does not actually own or hold Miami Coin or any cryptocurrency for that matter. According to Suarez, City Coins is an independent community acting in its own capacity. City Coins launched Miami Coin as a way for citizens to engage more intimately with their cities and their governments, said Suarez. He further remarked that part of City Coin's mission is to build up the cities they aim to support by gifting 30% of all mining rewards to their namesake city. Since rewards are distributed in cryptocurrency, City Coins acts as a custodian of Miami's rewards until they are converted into dollars and formally gifted to the city, Suarez explained. The reason Miami residents will be able to earn dividends in Bitcoin is because prior to the city receiving the cash gift from City Coins can reinvest the rewards from Miami Coin and earn a yield in Bitcoin. It is my intention that Miamians receive every cent of that yield. A community that invests in its city deserves to have that money reinvested back into the community. Patrick Stanley, community lead of City Coins, further told Cointelegraph that since mining began for Miami Coin on August 4th, Miami has generated over $22 billion. More importantly, Stanley pointed out that this amount is denominated in stacks or STX token. This is the case since CityCoins is a project built on Stacks, which is an open source network of decentralized applications and smart contracts built adjacent to the blockchain, the Bitcoin blockchain. According to Stanley, STX is yielding a 10% annual yield in Bitcoin. Given this, he believes that in the next 5 to 10 years, every Miami resident could receive a couple hundred or even thousands of dollars per year in Bitcoin if this approach continues. Stanley elaborated, the city of Miami will experiment with the BTC generated from their treasury to give their citizens US dollars. This is very powerful as citizens to become. This is very powerful as Mayor Suarez essentially activated all citizens to become supporters of the Miami Coin Protocol, which will also allow people to mint NFTs, build applications, and provide for crypto payments. Given the potential of Miami Coin, Suarez remarked that he aims to allow every Miami resident the opportunity to partake in the crypto and blockchain movement. This is fantastic news. Stanley added that over $150,000 worth of art has been minted using the Miami Coin, and the protocol can also fuel smart contracts. So the City Coin's adoption timeline remains unclear right now. While the Miami Coin appears to be thriving, Suarez shared that he is fully aware of the legal hurdles and complexities that may arise from community adoption. Quote, there's no way to know how quickly we can make this into reality, is what he said. Even though this is the case, it becomes clear that other innovative U.S. cities plan to follow Miami's lead for implementing a city coin. Most recently, New York City launched the New York City coin, also known as the NYC coin, which occurred shortly after the mayor elect Eric Adams stated that he wanted to turn New York into a crypto friendly city. Stanley noted that a New York City coin was then voted on by the community once Adams mentioned the idea. New York leapfrogged San Francisco because Mayor elect Eric Adams was outspoken about the initiative, explained Stanley. Actions may speak louder than words in the case of Citicoin's success rate. For instance, a Cointelegraph article recently pointed out that New Yorkers are unable to legally mine the NYC coin because residents have no compliant way of purchasing the STX token. So this is the case since the coin isn't available on any exchange holding bit license, which is required for residents purchasing crypto in New York City. What do you guys think about this situation in Miami and New York? It's really a shame. While the idea of crypto education is on the horizon for both New York City and Miami, Suarez added that a 6-month freeze has been placed on spending any Miami coin funds in order to best assess community needs. He said that we're already speaking to a number of leaders in the Bitcoin community to explore wallet options and technologies like Lightning, where we're going to take our time making sure we get the technology and education pieces right. We're going to send some positive energy out to Miami and New York. Hopefully, you guys can figure that out. Seems like there's city coins coming out, and the residents aren't even legally allowed to mine these coins. So hopefully, Miami City Coin, that thing takes off. It'd be really nice for that to happen. What else is happening in crypto land? You guys leave your comments below. Hydrogen token, the number one trending coin. Yep, that is true. Let's see what else we have here. A dual ledger layer one plans to supersede Ethereum and Solana by solving the blockchain trilemma. Using radically new protocol infrastructure, a decentralized network plans to eliminate the need for trade offs between usage cost, scalability, and security. Interesting stuff. We're going to have to hop into that here in a little bit. Let's see. We've got Oasis Foundation launching $160 million development fund. Digital ruble should not affect inflation, the Bank of Russia says. We've got metaverse gaming tokens, ETHverse, and Axie Infinity avoiding the crypto downtrend. If you're holding Axie Infinity, put a thumbs up in the comments below. How is the comment section looking right now? What's everything looking like on Twitch? Daily grind. Yes, sir. We're doing that. Binance Smart Chain has record high daily transactions. The BSC. All right, guys, this is some breaking news right now. The Staples Center in Los Angeles will be renamed Crypto.com Arena. After a deal with its owner, AEG, the Staples Center will be known as Crypto.com Arena from December. Staples Center will now be known as a Crypto.com Arena after an agreement with its owner, AEG. Staples Center is a multi-purpose arena that has been home to numerous public events, including boxing and basketball competitions, well-known concerts, and hockey. It's also been the home of the NBA's Los Angeles Clippers and LA Lakers, as well as NHL's Los Angeles Kings and the women's NBA Los Angeles Sparks. Crypto.com purchased the naming rights to AEG for $700 million over 20 years, according to an announcement. In 1999, Staples paid $100 million for 10 years worth of naming rights. AEG is a multinational sports and entertainment company that owns several facilities as well as sports franchises. On Christmas Day, the Los Angeles Lakers will face the Brooklyn Nets at the Staples Center, which will be updated with a new name and logo for the first time in history. The arena was built in 1999 and has a capacity of 20,000 people. Congratulations to Crypto.com. When it comes to the next development, it looks like AEG Chief Revenue Officer Dan Goldstein called it an exciting new chapter. He went on to say that the partnership represents the world's fastest growing cryptocurrency platform and the world's greatest sports and live entertainment business, combining to build the future of sports and live entertainment. The Los Angeles Lakers, the Kings, which play home games at the Staples Center, will join forces with Crypto.com as part of the collaboration. The company will be an official cryptocurrency platform partner for the two professional sports franchises. Congratulations. So, Crypto.com is a Singapore based cryptocurrency wallet and a platform that specializes in the MCO Visa card, which enables users to earn rewards in several cryptocurrencies. Though it is the first time that Crypto.com will pay money to purchase naming rights in sports and entertainment, it isn't the company's first time driving into the sports sector. The business has previously sponsored sporting events, including a $100 million sponsorship agreement with Formula One in late June, the Ultimate Fighting Championship in July, signing a $175 million sponsorship agreement with Crypto.com. Crypto.com continuing to become more relevant in the community. What do you think about that? Please leave comments below. Gaia Electra, how are you feeling back there? Oh, it says that the Crypto.com token is doing very well right now. Okay.
Yeah, I noticed that. I noticed that Crow is doing very, very well right now.
The CRO coin
Yeah.
seems like it's holding up its value. Is that what's going on?
I mean, it's been going up. That's the thing.
So the yeah
Let me see if I
the
can look at it here on the.
How many people hold in CRO? Y'all leave comments below, please. Hyper Portal, are you still hanging out with us? And then who do we have? Is there anybody on the Facebook? That's the thing. I don't ever get the Facebook. Okay, guys, this next segment is being brought to you by OregonVortex.com. Go to OregonVortex.com and take a look at the Oregon pendants and the Oregon pyramids. What is Orgonite? Well, it's essentially what Wilhelm Reich calls life force energy. So with these Oregon devices, we're removing low electromagnetic frequencies and we're creating a healthy environment that transmutes positive ions into negative ions, just like a pink Himalayan salt lamp would. So if you go to OregonVortex.com, we're giving you 10% off with the Medina Love 10 code. All right. So all capital letters, MEDINA and then 1 and 0, you're going to get 10% off of some epic Oregon pieces. There's also charging plates, pendants, pyramids. There's a list of different applications, and also the ability to make a custom pendant. So that's my buddy Jay Yaws right there, guys. 10% Medina Love 10. What else do we have here? Some of the latest and the greatest, guys. I want to get into some of the DeFi news here. That last story about Crypto.com and the Staples Center in Los Angeles was part of our adoption segment. So as you can tell, Crypto.com still squeezing its way into the mainstream, which is really good. It's really good news. Let's see. We've got the Binance Smart Chain hitting record high daily transactions. The DeFi platform has recorded approximately 1.75 billion lifetime transactions since its launch in August 2020. The Binance Smart Chain. This is really impressive. So they're saying that the analytical data from BSC Scan is a sister product of the Etherscan. It reveals that Binance Smart Chain surpassed 14.7 million blockchain transactions yesterday on Tuesday. This establishes a landmark all-time high for the decentralized finance network, which exceeds the previous high of 13.1 recorded on July 29th this year. So this one is 14.7. It surpassed 14.7, and the last one was 13.1. In addition, 276,446 new wallet addresses were created on Tuesday, a notable advancement of the 111,244 new addresses on July 29th. So that's almost double the amount. The BSC team tweeted an official announcement this morning to share the successful milestone. They said, "Congratulations to the whole Binance Smart Chain community. It hit a record-breaking milestone of over 14.7 million blockchain transactions in one day, a milestone that no other blockchain project has ever achieved. Congratulations to the Binance Smart Chain." That is some of the greatest news right here for DeFi. For greater context, the Ethereum network recorded 1.3 million total transactions on Tuesday with 134,354 new addresses added, while the Bitcoin network achieved 301 total transactions with 740,000 829 new addresses onboarded. Seems like new wallets are being created faster than we can make pancakes, ladies and gentlemen. And this is the hottest thing coming out of the oven. The Binance Smart Chain was incepted in late August 2020 as a launchpad platform that cultivates the development of innovative startup projects and decentralized applications compatible with the Ethereum blockchain through the Ethereum virtual machine. To date, the platform facilitates over 1,000 decentralized apps. On October 12th, major cryptocurrency exchange Binance announced that the launch of a $1 billion accelerator fund to enhance the proficiency of the Binance Smart Chain ecosystem in blossoming sectors in the crypto sphere, such as metaverses, gaming, virtual reality, artificial intelligence, among others. Gwendolyn Regina, the investment director at BSC Accelerator Fund, shared some insights into the 10-figure funding pot. The $1 billion growth fund has already started projecting growth in the BSC ecosystem, she says. She says, we will support 500 plus projects building on the BSC with the aim to onboard the next 1 billion users to the blockchain and crypto space. The Binance Smart Chain, is home to 159 protocols, the most prominent of which is PancakeSwap. It currently reports a total value locked of $17.77 billion, which represents the majority of the overall $30.6 billion in the BSC platform, according to the data from Defestation. DeFi Station, sorry, Defestation, DeFi Station. So DeFi Station reporting that over $30.6 billion on the total of the BSC, and 17.77 is on PancakeSwap. If you're using PancakeSwap, put a thumbs up, hit the like, share the video. I want to know how it's going with you and PancakeSwap because I haven't gotten on there yet, and it looks like I'm missing out on some action. Who's pancake swapping out there, guys? Freshadelic, what up, brother? Peace and blessings to you. Thank you so much for checking in. We got about 20 minutes left on the program today, but I want to make sure I'm answering questions, y'all. Please do not be shy. Leave questions in the comment section below. We've got Miss Guy Electra behind the scenes. Please put a thumbs up for Guy Electra, making sure that the camera, the audio, the frame, and the video is all lined up and proper. How many people are using Kucoin? I need to know if you're using Kucoin.
I downloaded the app, but I haven't really got to it. I haven't gotten to the app yet.
Yeah, I've logged on the computer, but I haven't had the opportunity to really dive in. If you're using KuCoin, please let us know how that's going. Actually, you know who told us about that? Qua.
Yeah, Qua told us about it.
You know, we've been meaning to have him on the program for a while. Guys, this story came in 9 minutes ago, but before I get into that, I got to tell you guys about the Inca's shoe collection. Look, Inca's shoes are shoes that connect the world. And why is that? Well, as part of the One Shoe, One Tree project, and in partnership with Trees for the Future and trees.org, anytime there's a pair of shoes sold, we're planting trees. So with your contribution, Incas is helping to reforest the world, help create a cleaner air, lower our carbon footprint, develop sustainable agricultural infrastructure for communities around the globe. So let's plant some trees and decorate our feet with some super fresh snakes. Hit the talkable link in the description below. If you don't see the talkable link, don't worry, don't panic. we can send it to you, or just go to the YouTube after we get done with the segment. Everything will be available. All the links will be available for you on the MC Medina YouTube channel, along with other links that provide sign-on bonuses. So if you're serious about getting into crypto, or you know somebody that's serious about getting into crypto, remember to go through those links, because you got sign-on bonuses there waiting for you, brothers and sisters. Looks like the Xbox head, or the head of Xbox, wants to get into the NFT and gaming sector. How many people are into NFTs and gaming? Please leave your comments below. Now, the worlds of gaming and NFTs continue to blend, but Microsoft's gaming head is weary that NFTs are more exploitative than about entertainment. Phil Spencer is Microsoft's head of gaming, and he commented on his skepticism towards NFTs, or non-fungible tokens, in an interview with Axios. What I'd say today on NFT, all up, is I think there's a lot of speculation and experimentation that's happening, and that some of the creative that I see today feels more exploitative than about entertainment. As head executive of Microsoft's Xbox division, Spencer's words carry weight. Xbox is the game console operating system with the second largest global market share, behind only PlayStation. This gives Xbox a lot of power over the acceptance or the rejection of NFT projects into the gaming ecosystem. So it looks like we've got some console wars here. PlayStation has diverted from the pack to lead in the global market share. How many gamers do we have up there? Y'all put your bots down below. Look, Spencer added that he is not completely against all NFTs, clarifying that he doesn't think that every NFT game is exploitative. I just think we're kind of in that journey of people figuring it out. Although the earliest NFT can be traced to 2014, 2015, it wasn't until this year that the market's valuation skyrocketed into multi-million dollar territory. And within the gaming space, blockchain based games and play to earn, or P2E, games are paving the way for a new era in gaming. Blockchain's role in transforming the gaming market appears to be intensifying through what we call GameFi, which refers to the financialization of gaming. Over the past month, at least 3 venture funds have announced sizable capital allocations to so-called GameFi projects. NFTs, meanwhile, having blossomed into a multi-billion-dollar market, with the total sale of digital collectibles hitting $10.7 billion in the third quarter. November marks Xbox's 20th anniversary, and the company commemorated its bicentennial with a live stream celebration with game announcements and updates. So, Xbox looks like it's coming in second place behind PlayStation, Microsoft, Xbox. Second place next to Sony and PlayStation. Seems like Sony and PlayStation already on board to adopt the NFTs in video games and incorporate a play to earn structure to their gaming console. Um, Sony PlayStation still the number one leading console on planet Earth in regards to sales. So maybe Xbox and Microsoft will decide to switch things up a little bit and give them a little bit more headspace into the DeFi world and the GameFi world, most importantly. Let's see, what else do we have here? We got about 15 minutes left in the program. I want to make sure that I'm not leaving out any important stories here, brothers and sisters. Let's see what we have. What was the graph that we were going to look at?
The crow.
Oh yeah. Yeah, let's get into the CRO token. I want to Australian Baseball Club Perth Heat to pay athletes in Bitcoin. This is fantastic news. We'll get into this right after checking into the CRO coin graph.
Here we go.
Checking in with Miss Gaia Electra. Y'all please put your thumbs up
It's right there on
in the comments.
the Crypto.com coin. 0.5249 is the price, and it has an increase of 28%, almost 29.
In the last 24 hours?
Yes, sir.
Wow. So despite the dips that we're experiencing with Bitcoin and Ethereum, Litecoin, even Cardano, Solana, I mean, dips all across the board. Doge, Shiba Inu.
Not for Crow.
Jungle Man checking in, brother. Thank you so much for checking in.
Where is he at?
Jungle Man checking in on the Twitch right now. Yeah, man. Thank you so much.
We love you.
I was always reminding everybody to please remember to host the channel, share the link, please, please, please. How is the Jungle Man doing? The Jungle Man and Jungle Lady is what I want to know. So.
Yeah, I want to know how the Jungle Lady's doing too, please.
Come on, let us know.
I haven't seen that Jungle Lady in a while. So yeah, really good gains with the Crow token right here. I'm seeing the gains even though all across the board is kind of low.
Yeah.
If you did decide to get that Visa card for Crypto.com, you're staking some of this Crow at the moment, like I am. But now I'm seeing that if the Crow token keeps going up, I can actually put a little bit more money. It's gonna even go even higher, and I can get the upgrade of the card, which they give me a lot more rewards. They even give me Crow for Spotify. So, and I believe Netflix too. So
Spotify and what?
I think it's Netflix. I have to look it up, but I know that yeah, I mean, because you have to stake $4,000 worth of Crow,
right,
to be able to have that. Actually, it's the third tier of that crypto card.
Yeah, I mean, taking a look at that graph, things look promising for Crypto.com, making big moves to the Staples Center in Los Angeles, paying millions of dollars to get on. I mean, that's huge news. All right, brothers and sisters, the next segment, we're going to get into what is going on in Australia. Y'all know they got kangaroos out there. They got didgeridoos out there. Okay, if you know how to play a didgeridoo or even know how to read the word didgeridoo, if you were to see or look at the word didgeridoo, please hit a thumbs up. Leave your comments below. Do you even know what a didgeridoo is? And can a kangaroo play a didgeridoo? These are the questions I find myself asking myself sometimes. Just kidding. Look, guys, this next segment is brought to you by Divine Garments. Go to lovemedina.com. Click on Divine Garments, the DG logo, and anything that says DG on it or Divine Garments, will most likely be made out of 100% organic material, like this bag right here. As you can tell, it says certified organic on the tag. Anyways, my point is, when you go to lovemedina.com and you click on Divine Garments, you're going to use the discount code Crypto20. That's CRYPTO in all capital letters and the numbers 20. That's 20% off of anything Divine Garments, straight for all of you. It's a special deal just for you guys. Check it out. Australia has a team called the Perth Heat, and they will be using Bitcoin Lightning Network to make payments to professional baseball players and the staff. Australian baseball club Perth Heat has announced a partnership with Bitcoin payment processor OpenNode to accept and make payments in Bitcoin. The partnership allows Perth Heat to pay professional players and the staff. According to the announcement, the professional sports club will send and receive payments in Bitcoin over the Lightning Network. In addition, the partnership with OpenNode allows the Perth Heat organization to accept Bitcoin payments for sponsorships, merchandise, and other revenue streams. Taking things one step further, Perth Heat has also rebranded itself as the Bitcoin baseball team. Wow. All right. The club has listed Bitcoin branded merchandise on its official website, showing a long-term commitment to mainstream Bitcoin adoption. The announcement stated this: as a part as part of this sporting world exclusive, Perth Heat will hodl Bitcoin on the club's balance sheet. Sounds a lot like Michael Saylor. Stephen Nilkovsky, the CEO of Perth Heat, believes that embracing the underlying values of Bitcoin protocol will inspire others to embrace a monetary system that demands value creation to thrive. According to the club's chief Bitcoin officer, Patrick O'Sullivan, he says the club has already established an initial position in Bitcoin to help secure its digital property rights on the world's most secure monetary network, and it will continue to reinvest available capital into Bitcoin. The Perth Heat are embracing the reality that the future of money and corporate treasuries will live on the Bitcoin blockchain. The land down under has ramped up efforts to allow regulated crypto adoption this year. On October 20th, an Australian Senate committee called for a complete overhaul of crypto legislation and licensing. As reported a few days earlier, the Australian Securities and Investment Commissions also released a guideline that greenlit Bitcoin and Ethereum based exchange traded protocols. As of October 2021, Bitcoin and Ethereum appear likely to satisfy all five factors identified above to determine appropriate underlying assets for an ETP, or exchange traded product. We expect the range of non financial product crypto assets that can satisfy these factors will expand over time. A recent survey conducted by Crypto.com found that Australian citizens are equally keen to explore crypto investments. Out of the polled 2,020 Australians between 18 to 59 years of age, 26 responded that they would consider giving crypto for Christmas or buying a crypto related gift. 7.4 said that they would be interested in mining rigs, which is an interesting thing to see there. According to Crypto.com, General Manager Carl Mohan, Australians are clearly very keen to adopt cryptocurrencies and integrate their use into day-to-day spending. So that's good news for Australia and the baseball club Perth Heat, Perth. I guess that's a town. If you know anyone in Australia, please ask them about that. Who do we have in the chat? Not sure yet. I'm coordinating with Iggy Rick Uggs. Okay, let's go. The next one. On to the next. Let's see. We definitely got the Twitch popping off. You guys, if you haven't already had the opportunity, please, please, please get into the Twitch. I need you guys to host the channel and then just share the link. That's easy, simple, easy, easy breezy. Also, if you could do us a favor, actually do everyone, do yourself and us a favor, hit the subscribe button, tap that bell, just because we're going to be coming to you guys every single day. And that way you can keep up and know what is going on with the latest and the greatest in the decentralized finance community all around the world. Let's see if we can get into one more breaking story here. Definitely, I want to remind everybody that it is a great time to invest into crypto. Okay, it's an epic time to invest into crypto. So please consider that. Consider that right now as we are experiencing some dips all across the board. I want to answer some questions. Who is on the chat right now? Do we still have our brother Lion in the house? Utopia. Looks like this is a new press release. It's a metaverse project that transforms everything into blockchain. This is a press release that came in 4 hours ago. Utopia. It's a metaverse project that transforms everything into blockchain. The ambassador program and $50,000 airdrop are open now. Let's go, guys. Okay, Utopia. It's a metaverse project that transforms everything into blockchain. Enjoy GameFi, DEX, decentralized lending, NFT marketplace, and more DeFi apps all in one Utopia universe. It is the first ever project that utilizes stablecoins as its ecosystem token. Blockchain and the metaverse have been the center of attention for years. As enthusiasm from the global audience continues to grow, Utopia promises users an all in one metaverse that transforms everything into blockchain. With multiple practical applications, high impact use cases, and numerous incentives, Utopia is committed to creating a metaverse project that maps one to one with reality and gives actual value to users to utilize stablecoins and form their own decentralized autonomous organizations. This month, Utopia is expected to launch testnet and mainnet, Utopia non-fungible token, Utopia blind box, and Utopia trading card game. This is the Utopia vision. Utopia is run by a team of highly experienced developers in the public chain and decentralized finance field with a Goldman Sachs background and aims to create a parallel universe beyond a metaverse, offering their users endless identities, assets, social status, and most importantly, infinite possibilities that can be connected with reality. Users can partake in activities like games, decentralized exchanges, decentralized lending, and NFT marketplace, among others. Utopia has always set asset safety as a top priority since the beginning of product design. It has passed the smart contract security audit offered by Chain in the United States. Users are invited to dive into the Utopia metaverse, which is parallel to the real world. Say what? It's parallel. So the parallel universe. So we have right here, we have currency in US dollars or your fiat currency. In the parallel universe, there's going to be the stable coin. Um, in the real world, you have an art market. In the parallel universe, the Utopia NFT market. In the real world, you've got games like Nintendo, PlayStation, Microsoft, Xbox. In Utopia, there's Utopia GameFi. In the real world, you have exchanges like the NASDAQ or the New York Stock Exchange. And in Utopia, there's decentralized exchanges, the Utopia DEX. Also, in the real world, there's banks, the Federal Reserve, the central banks. And so in the Utopia, you have Utopia banks. And then you have insurance in the real world, and then you have Utopia Insurance. So the utopian innovations, various apps, and open ecosystem. Let's get into this. It's a Utopia and its developers offer a wide range of different apps, GameFi, decentralized exchange, decentralized lending, and NFT marketplace, and more. All apps in one governance token, because all apps in the Utopia metaverse are governed by one governance token, UC. 110% collateralization ratio. A maximum of $110 of collateral assets can be minted as stablecoins from $100, maximizing the funds to enter the Utopia metaverse. Multi-collateral assets, which Utopia accepts multiple coins and multiple tokens to efficiently maximize the funds, and the NFTs will also join on the list as well. So you got multiple streams of profit. All of the fees generated in the Utopia ecosystem will be distributed to decentralized autonomous organizations, or DAOs, in Utopia, including GameFi, decentralized exchange, NFT marketplace, etc. If you want to join the ambassador program, simply send your inquiry to info@utopiacoin.org. That's info@utopiacoin.org, or you can just join the Telegram community at Utopia Metaverse with no E at the end, Utopia_Metaverse, for more information. You guys tap into the Utopia Metaverse. I'm going to see if I can do some more research. That was the official press release that I found here on Cointelegraph.com. Now, do we have any questions? Looks like we're getting close to the end of the road for today. Let us know. We can help.
We are good on the questions.
We've got Miss Guy Electra tapping in. How's it looking over there on your end?
Everything is looking good. We answer all the questions for today.
And since we've started, we've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP have all gone up.
Nice.
We're back in the green, guys. Looks like we're getting back into the green according to the charts here. Don't forget to look into Hydrogen Token, brothers and sisters. That's the newest big gains, number one biggest gainer. And
today, 7:30 meditation. If you would like to sit down with us at 7:30 here on the channel. I know that lately we have been going live on this channel, recording in the recording studio. So
on the Twitch channel, yeah.
Yes, on the Twitch channel. And by the way, subscribe on the Twitch channel. We sure do a lot more support on that channel. So if you do have a Twitch account, please follow Casa de Prana. It really helps. Since we are doing the best to become partners with Twitch at the moment.
Yeah, we need some action on the Twitch. We've come to the point to where we can't move forward without more Twitch interaction. And that's just the bottom line. We got to have more action on the Twiggity Twitch.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Yes, one love, peace, blessings. Listen, do us a huge favor. Stay conscious, stay getting that crypto, and be blessed. Peace.